Ma'am, please let us know your name and where are you from and what is your work and what advice you want to give to people and how was your journey over here.
My name is Aruna Uttaluru. I am a yoga teacher and evaluator. I have been practicing since my school days. Yoga is my passion. And professionally, since 2018, I have been giving training. Not only that, I give training those who will become yoga teachers, yoga instructors, example, protocol instructors, wellness instructors. So I give training for them. So yoga is very good for all the people. There is no age limit for learning the yoga. All ages. I teach yoga for kids also. Kids to all ages, old age people, those who are suffering from thyroid, back pain, and PCOD problems. This yoga is very necessary to everyone. So everybody should learn yoga. So every school, hospitals must have one yoga teacher. So many people are suffering with the stress and anxiety. So if you learn yoga, relieve from the stress and anxiety. That is why not students, all categories, now IT people, students and teachers, everyone, lawyers, every job holders should learn yoga. This is a very good in Muscat and US also. Many volunteer programs I conducted. And during COVID also, I daily three to four classes I used to take online classes that time. So nearly 20 countries people were joined, almost 800 people. Azadi Ka Mahotsav that time, 21 days yoga challenge. So I gave training to all the students and they got health benefits and also they got Ayush certificates from the Ayush. Just for 5 months back I came to Hyderabad. Here also I conducted 4 to 5 volunteer programs and recently on the occasion of International Yoga Day, in one day I taught 3 schools. Almost 2000 students were there in 3 schools. Bring awareness among the people.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for coming here and thank you for your work that you are doing for the society. Thank you.
Thank you once again. World Charity Award.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for advices.